one of the core things when we started was about having an offering which is ready to use, which is self-deployable, which is self-explanatory, and that is one of the core principles which we are following for all of our products. And for Flex, any user can go in, having a SaaS-based service available as for calculations. User just simply can go, and onboarding time is just less than 5 minutes. You just need to follow that shopping experience on the portal, and based on that, you will have the product available within 5 minutes on your production. And it's pretty quick and easy to integrate within any of the ecosystems. We are providing those code snippets, our complete SDK, and all those documents are available. Where you just simply copy and paste within your ecosystem and that's how it works. Whether even for certain digital banks who are working branchless within Europe, they have followed the same kind of method to have that onboarding experience, and they were live in just 5 to 6 minutes. It doesn't take more than that. Just think about Netflix. When you are subscribing to Netflix, so how long does that take? It works the same way. You can simply subscribe, and onboarding time can be reduced to a few minutes, and then take it forward from there. And before that, you have the experience in terms of verification and validation through the trial and all those aspects as well.